Hey, this is Will and Well Armed. I'm at Sharpshooters USA, and I've got the Bul Armory SAII Tac Commander in 45. We'll be shooting 100 rounds today, and this is the first 100 rounds through it, so we'll see how it does. Failure to feed. Got caught on the ramp a little bit. Didn't take much to get it up there. Didn't go all the way forward. First 12 rounds. Put a little more oil on it. It's not going forward every time. Ooh, that was a tough magazine to get through. Yep. I'm having to push it through almost every time. Way over oiled it. It's wet now, but I'm still having a hard time going through, so we'll keep on shooting. Better. Didn't go all the way forward. All right, fourth magazine. All right, I'm on the fifth mag. I'm gonna move to target number 4. That good is good on target number 4. Failure to feed. Seemed to be a little better that time. That's target number 5. Seems to be doing better. Alright, got 2 magazines left for the first 100 rounds and feeling pretty good. That was a bad magazine for me. All right, this is the last round magazine. I think there are 8 rounds. Small count. Failure to feed. Right. So this is the Bul Armory. This is the first time I've been shooting this. This is the Commander in 45. Been shooting well. Been shooting the Mag Tech, regular ball ammo, but it's acting like hollow point. It is getting stuck on the feed ramp, and I had a hard time with it going forward. It's just a real tight gun, and hopefully we'll get a few hundred rounds through this and they'll loosen up and start shooting right. There's that target, and you can see when I was shooting number 3, keeping it in the middle, a point of aim, it just shot high slightly right. Try to pull the point of aim down, and it's just hard holding it down, but I had like 2 out, 3 out, and the rest were pretty close to the orange dot. Then on the 5th target in the bottom right, again I held bottom right on the orange, and that second magazine I kind of wasn't paying attention or something, but anyway, not bad since I hadn't shot in 2 months. So this is well armed. Have a great day and be prepared.